Hey, this is Emily Galvan-Almanza, co-founder of Partners for Justice, and I promised that once a week I was going to tell you something that you don't know but should know about your criminal legal system. So this week, guilty pleas. We all know that like 95% of cases never go to trial, they end in a guilty plea. And so people ask me does that mean that everyone who gets arrested is guilty? And I have to say, no, my friends, it does not. Here's what you need to know. First of all, an arrest is never just an arrest. It's like a bomb going off in a person's life. Most people lose something major when they get arrested. Housing, job. It's actually one of the leading causes of job loss among young men. Access to your kids, get kicked out of school, might not get to go to college, cut off from public benefits. And if a person gets held in on bail, it's worse. People who are in pretrial, legally innocent, are 270% more likely to lose their public benefits and 420% more likely to become homeless when they are released. So after that, what happens? Does the case just go to trial? No. There's like a million court dates. Court dates where nothing happens. Court dates where you're waiting to see the evidence against you. Court date where the judge is unavailable. Court date where you have to file motions. Court date where those motions have to have a hearing. Court date where the prosecutor is on vacation. It goes on and on and on. For a person who's out, every single time, this means finding childcare, finding transportation, taking a day off from work if you still have your job, coming to a courthouse where you are treated humiliatingly like a criminal. If you're in custody, it means being awakened at 2 a.m, being put on a cold bus, no food, held in the basement of the courthouse, in a cell where you may or may not get to see your lawyer, just for a court date where nothing happens. So after a while, people start to ask, what do I have to do to make this stop? And that's usually when the prosecutor says, well, if you want this to be over, you could plead guilty. At that point, who wouldn't?